Ready for dictation? Start. The efficiency of administrative systems plays a crucial role in ensuring good governance and public satisfaction. For stop. In a developing country, the responsibility of public officials increases as citizens expect timely delivery of services and transport functioning of institutions. For stop. Administrative reforms are often introduced to simplify procedures, reduce delays, and promote accountability. For stop. The use of technology in governance has improved record management, communication, and accessibility of public services. For stop. However, effective implementation of such reforms depends on paper training of staff, coordination between departments, and continuous monitoring of outcomes. For stop. From a general viewpoint, awareness among citizens regarding their rights and duties has increased over time. For stop. Educated individuals are more likely to question irregularities and demand efficient services from authorities. For stop. At the same time, government employees are expected to maintain discipline, punctuality, and integrity in their work. For stop. The role of stenographers is particularly important as they are responsible for accurate recording of dictations, preparation of official documents, and maintaining confidentiality. For stop. Any error in documentation can lead to serious administrative complications. For stop. Editorial opinions often emphasize the gap between policy formulation and its execution. For stop. While policies are designed with long term objectives, their success depends on effective implementation at the ground level. For stop. Challenges such as lack of coordination, insufficient training, and resistance to change can hinder administrative efficiency. For stop. Therefore, it is essential to adopt a comprehensive approach that includes regular evaluation, feedback systems, and capacity building programs from employees. For stop. In a case relating to the legality of an administrative action, the court examined whether the principles of natural justice were followed by the concerned authority. Full stop. The petitioner argued that the order passed against him was arbitrary and issued without granting an opportunity of hearing. Full stop. After reviewing the facts and records, the court found that the authority failed to provide adequate notice before taking action. Full stop. It was observed that any decision affecting the rights of an individual must be taken in a fair and transparent manner. Full stop. The court held that the absence of a proper hearing rendered in order invalid. Full stop. According, the impugned order was set aside and the matter was remanded to the authority for fresh consideration. Full stop. The authority was directed to pass a reasoned order within a reasonable time, ensuring compliance with legal provisions and maintaining fairness in procedure. Full stop. Overall.